Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a video on how I make my pecan or pecan, whichever one you like to call it, chocolate turtle apples. I've had a lot of people asking me to do a video on it, and it's really quick and easy. Apples here, and then I just have a popsicle stick. And I just push them in there. Have those, and I have here my caramel candies, and I just use the Kraft caramels or caramel, however you call it. And so with this, I have it in a bowl, and I'm just gonna add, you can add either like a tablespoon of water or a tablespoon of milk, and I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. I'm gonna do it, the first one, for about a minute, and then after that I'll do it in 30 seconds at a time. And you just want to make sure you're mixing it. You might see more liquid in the bowl. Do not pour that out, because it's going to help keep the caramel nice and smooth and creamy. So I'm going to get this melted, and then I'll be right back. And this is what I mean when I say there will be more liquid in there. But you just want to just make sure you're stirring it up. I'm going to put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds. And this is what it looks like after the second time in the microwave for the 30 seconds, after I had already did it for a minute. So as you can see, it's getting a little bit more, it's a little bit more melted, and you just stir it, just making sure you're mixing that liquid back in to the caramel. This is going to keep it from being really hard and make it real nice and smooth once it's all completely melted. So I'm going to put it in there for another 30 seconds. Alright, so this is what it looks like once it's completely melted. And all together, it was in there for like 2 minutes, 2.5, depending on your bowl and your microwave, I guess. So we have that melted. And then I just have my pecans in a plate. I just use the chopped ones. So what you're gonna do is just dip your apple, get it evenly coated, and I just spin it around one time. Just let the extra drip off. And I just get the extra off the bottom, because you don't want a pull of it once it's cooled down at the bottom of it. That's good. And then I take my nuts and just push them on there. Or if you got a bowl, you can put it in a bowl and just, instead of doing it this way, use it in a bowl. And you just want to make sure it's covered like that. And then we will put it in the refrigerator until the caramel cools down and set up, and that way it'll be easier to dip it in the chocolate. Alright, so now we are going to melt our chocolate. And I have some chocolate melts. And this is the one that I'm using today. And so I will put this in a microwave 30 seconds at a time until it's nice and melted. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Here is my chocolate. It's nice and smooth. And I also have a video on my channel where I was showing how I get my chocolate nice and smooth and not as thick. You can use I think it's called Paramount crystals, and that helps smooth out the chocolate as well if it's too thick for what you're using it for. And so after I've let this cool down, I'm just gonna grab my apple out of the refrigerator. And what you're gonna do is just dip it in all sides. And shake the extra off. Make sure you get it off the bottom. And this is how it would look. And then you just want to put it back in the refrigerator until the chocolate gets hard. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Like I said, they are nice and easy to make. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other videos that you all would like to see. I will be happy to make them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.